Okay, this is a capacitor for a possible antenna application. It is going to be used as a 0.453 AG towards the maximum amount of hertz, and it has a tolerance here. Yeah, pretty cool stuff. And you have to mostly use it by the adapters here. See that? Tells you all about it, and it works. It has a maximum amount of efficiency at 43, which I figured out how to get it to work earlier at 43, 10, 12, 10, and 43, 12, 10, 12, which is on this right here. And I was right there. Yeah, it was over here. And that was where I got it to go for the amount of time that it would be used for the antenna. And the interference would be that number. So that'll be it. Thanks.